Hi, this is Etienne from rugeschaft.com, and I've been asked many times how someone can learn SEO or how to become really good at search engine optimization. The answer is simple, really. There are always courses and a ton of information online with regards to SEO. However, many courses are outdated and 90% of information on SEO, especially on forums, are complete BS. The best way to learn SEO is to do it yourself, or hire a professional like myself who can show you the little tricks of the trade and explain the different strategies in detail. Self-implementation is the way to go. It's how I got started, years of trial and error. A/B split testing different strategies and ignoring the so-called experts will show you exactly what works and what doesn't. So there you have it. Learn it yourself by doing, or hire a professional to speed up the process. Learn what they do and how they do it in order to get results. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need help with your SEO and marketing efforts, follow the link in the description below. Please subscribe and give a like if you found this to be useful or informative in any way. Take care.